Hey, Lewis Francis here from Uniqli. Just wanted to shoot this quick video because I had a discussion with a potential client yesterday for consultation. Now, what their issue was they got loads and loads of plugins on the site and it was slowing their site down. Now, what occurred to me was that if they've got users that don't mind slow site speed, that'd be fine. But because their users that are using the site are bothered about site speed, it's certainly something we needed to optimize and we need to look at. How do you determine whether you need site speed or not? General rule of thumb, I'd say yes, you do need site speed. You need to be a nice fast website for SEO and that sort of thing, but think about it like this. Basically make sure it's aligned with what your user's intent is. For example, if you're running a photography website, then you'd want your pictures to be high quality, and that's why you may not want to have low quality, over optimized images on the site for good site speed. But that applies to all plugins, and that's why I want to just shoot this quick video. Make sure your plugins are all aligned towards your end user and your end goal for your buyer persona and for your website user persona. Make sure they're aligned so that you're not counterintuitively sort of installing stuff which isn't necessarily going to be worthwhile for your customers. So with that, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you've got any questions, anyone that would be valuable knowing this information, back them in the comments below. Thanks very much.